How to create a PayPal account without a credit card. What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily create a PayPal account without having to add any kind of credit or debit card. Let's just get into it. Open up your web browser first. It could be anything. I'll currently use Google Chrome for now. And on a new tab, you basically have to search for PayPal. Once you search for it, go over to the first link, paypal.com. And then from here, you can find two options at the top right, login or sign up. I'll just go ahead and tap on the sign up button since it's for opening up a new account. Now you can choose business or personal. I'll just go with personal. Tap on get started. You can also find more details if you want. Then you can select your region or country here. You can select anything from this list. I'll just continue on from here. Tap on get started. Once that is done, you need to go ahead and enter a email address to sign up for PayPal. Once you've entered your email, tap on next. And since I've already used this email to create an account, it's telling me to log in instead of signing up. But if you want to sign up with a different mail that's not logged in already, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. You just have to enter that, and then you can just enter the OTP that you get on the number, tap on it, create a password for your account, and then you can easily create your account without having to add any kind of credit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.